Building a base mesh part 2. I began with a 3D scan of a real human face. I then imagined what underlying muscle structures for the face would look like. The muscle structure is something that I sculpted on my own in ZBrush. I created an edge loop plan that followed the muscle structure as closely as possible. After going through 19 different designs, I took screenshots of my final design. These screenshots are available on my website for download if you want to follow along. In Silo, I use the material editor to project my screenshots into flattened cubes. I create each cube as a 0 height, then rotate them to the proper view. This is the easiest way to ensure the screenshots project properly for my 2D views. I began creating the face with a cutout from a larger cuboid or box. The rest of this video consists of me using the Move manipulator to move points, Control M to merge points, and the Z key to extrude edges or groups of edges. I also use the number keys to switch from the perspective view, number 1, the front view, number 2, and the right side view, number 6. Now I use Shift-I to mirror the mesh. The advantage of instance mirroring is that it can be turned on and off, and you can see what your sculpt looks like with or without the other side. Now that I'm satisfied with what I've done, I do Shift-I to undo the instance mirroring and use Alt-Shift-N to make the mirror permanent. I move to the UV window with my pointer and hit the spacebar, and I can use the UV window to develop a UV map. I will break the back part of the head so that I have a seam, and then hitting Control U, it applies the least square common multiple algorithm to evenly space out the squares of the UV map. Alright, this is the final form. As I said before, I will probably modify this for my later base mesh, but this is good enough for attaching to the other parts of the figure that I will be developing in the other videos in this series. Thanks for watching. Press like if you like this video, and please subscribe. Thank you.